Facebook guide: how to schedule post on Facebook page. Consistency is the key to grow Facebook, but posting manually every day can be exhausting. That's where scheduling come in. Imagine planning your post for the week and just sitting down and letting Facebook to do the rest. Sounds great, right? Here are ways to schedule your posts. First of all, you open Facebook. You click on create post or write what's on your mind. Add all your images. Select as much people as you want. You press next. You click on next. Click on scheduling option. You click on schedule for later. Click on save. Then you post. If you find this video interesting, please follow for more and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.